Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you can see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Okay, good morning everyone. So thanks for confirming. So yesterday we were looking into this handling JavaScript information alerts. So in the similar terms, we have prompts and confirmation alerts also. They will also work in the same way, but before going there are a few things that I have to cover, okay, that are pending in information alerts or in the general alerts category. So let's begin, guys, okay? So unhandled alert exception. Okay. Yesterday I showed you how to handle the information alerts by waiting for the alert to be present on the page. After that, switching to the alert, retrieving the text that is present on the alert, and then accepting or dismissing the alert. I showed you, right? But now I'm going to show you some case where while the alert has come on the page, but if you are not performing any operation and trying to do any other operation other than that, what will happen? In that case, we'll get unhandled alert exception. I'll tell you what. For example, so this is the application we went yesterday, right? As part of automation, we went to this application. And here we have JavaScript alerts thing. Now you clicked on this alert. You waited for the alert to be present on the page. You did the automation till here. And you switch it to the alert also. You have bring the focus of the Selenium from this page to the alert. That's also done. And the next thing is that without handling this alert, either without accepting or dismissing the alert, if you're trying to perform any other operation on this page, like clicking on this button or this button, if you try to do so manually, nothing will happen. Okay. Manually, you see, nothing is working on the page when the alert is there, but using automation, when the alert is there, if you try to perform any other operation on this page, including closing this browser, etc., you are going to get an exception known as unhandled. Okay, you are going to get an exception known as unhandled alert exception. So everyone type in the chat box what is the exception you are going to get when the alert has come, but you are trying to perform some other activity on the page. While the alert is present, without handling the alert, if you are trying to perform any other operation, including closing the browser, you will get which exception? Unhandled alert exception you are going to get, guys. Okay, you are going to get unhandled alert exception you are going to get. Fine. So let me show you that practically, guys, how we are going to get unhandled alert exception. Manually, we will not get any exception, right? Manually, you see, it is not possible at all. When the alert has come and you try to perform any other operation on the page, you will not be able to perform any click operation, or you cannot do anything. You cannot right click or whatever it is. But during Selenium automation, if you try to do the same, when the alert has come and you try to click on this button, let's say, you will get, without handling the alert, if you try to do any other operation on the page, you are going to get unhandled alert exception. Okay, that I'm going to show you practically now. So for that, I'll just expand this project and go here, and we have this alerts demo, and here, yeah, I'll create a class. I'll just name this as unhandled alert exception demo. Okay. And with main method, I'll click on finish. Once this class is created, now here inside this method, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write the code Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Like this, I'll create Control Shift O, and then say driver dot manage dot window dot maximize and driver dot get. And here, let's say okay here for now. I'll go to this page. First of all, I'll go to this page, and after that, in order to display that alert, in order to display any of this alert, guys, it can be information alert, confirmation alert, prompt alert, doesn't matter. Any alert is there and you're trying to, without handling the alert, if you're trying to perform any other operation on the page, you are going to get unhandled alert exception. For now, I'll check with this information alert. So to get the information alert, I have to first click on this button. So I'll inspect the button, and this button has some text between the tags. I'll create an XPath expression as usual that I have demonstrated yesterday already. This one button text is equal to text between the button tags. So, and press enter. Yeah, the button got located, only one element. Copy this XPath expression and come back here. Simply say driver dot find element by dot, give the XPath expression of that particular information alert button. Put a semicolon here. Here write down information alert button. Okay, information alert button is equal to, and here create a web element. Over the mouse on this and create a web element. Copy this and then say click dot click. Then what else I have to do? Once I click on the button, the alert will be coming, but I have to wait for the alert to be present on the page. Okay, before performing any operation, I have to wait for the alert to be present on the page. For that, I'll implement WebDriver wait. WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver wait. I'll explicitly wait for the alert to be present on the page. Control Shift O, and then here say driver comma duration dot off seconds, and give maximum of 10 seconds. That is a generous number. So wait dot until expected conditions dot alert is present. Alert is present. Okay, we are waiting for the alert to be present on the page, and we'll switch to the alert also. Driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, so here alert. I will do one thing. We'll try to retrieve the text that is displayed on the alert. Control Shift O. The alert interface will be imported automatically. Now using this object reference, I would like to retrieve the text from the alert. So string text on alert. I'm performing some operation on the alert, guys, but I will not handle the alert. That means I will not accept or dismiss the alert while this alert is still there on the page. Okay, to confirm that the alert we have received or not, alert has come or not, I'm retrieving the text from that alert. The text that is displayed on the alert, I'm retrieving and printing on the page. After that, without either accepting or dismissing the alert, I'll try to do this. I'll try to click on this same button, information alert button, which is on the page. I'm going to click. Without accepting the alert or dismissing the alert, that is without handling the alert, if I try to click on a particular button which is there on the page, this is what I'm trying to do. When the alert is there, I'm retrieving the text from this and printing in the output console. And without handling the alert, that is without accepting or dismissing the alert, I'm trying to click on this click for JavaScript alert button. So when I do that, manually nothing will happen. But during automation, this line will give you an exception known as, which exception it will give, guys? Unhandled alert exception it will give. It will give you unhandled alert exception. Let me run this code and observe that in the output, you are going to get unhandled alert exception. Let's wait for the script to run. Open the browser, maximize the browser, open the application URL. Click on that. Maybe it is too fast. Maybe it is too fast, and maybe by this time we should get unhandled alert exception. Unhandled alert exception. If you want to see the alert has come and all, while alert has come, you perform this operation. You just put the red dot sleep here for demonstration purpose only. In real time, it is not required. I'll just give like 3 seconds of time so that you can see the alert displayed on the page. Okay. For the mouse and say ignore the exception. Again, run it for the second time. Just see here properly. Just for demonstration purpose, I added the red dot sleep, but in real time, we don't do that. The script is running very fast so that we cannot see whether alert has come on the page. While the alert is there, you are trying to, without handling the alert, you are trying to perform. You see alert is there without performing any operation on the alert, you are trying to, without handling the alert, you are trying to click on this button, guys. Okay. That's where the problem came. And we got, you see, the text on the alert also got displayed. I'm a JavaScript alert. And without handling the alert, when you try to click on a particular button on the page, any other item on the page also, you will get unhandled alert exception. Unhandled alert exception. Not only this, guys, not only this one, if you even try to close the browser also, you'll get that exception. Okay. Without handling the exception, without accepting or dismissing the alert, if you try to even close the browser also, you'll get the same exception. To prove that, I'm writing driver.close here. Run the script. You see, without handling the alert, if you try to close the browser also, you'll get that same exception. When the alert is there on the page, it's our duty to handle the alert. It's our duty to handle the alert first. alert has come. Without handling the alert, if you try to close the browser has not closed, but you got this unhandled alert exception you got. You try to close the browser without handling without handling the alert. Okay. So that's where you will get this. You see the text on the alert has come, and without handling the alert, that is accepting or dismissing, you try to close the browser. Then also you'll get unhandled alert exception. So everyone clear with the unhandled alert exception when you will get this applies for all the type of alerts, guys, not only information alerts, but also confirmation alerts and prompt alerts also it will be applied. The same thing. When the alert is there on the page, we have to handle the alert. Without handling the alert, if you try to perform any other operation like clicking on any button or closing the browser, you are going to get unhandled alert exception. Everyone type C in the chat box if this is clear for you. Guys, everyone type C in the chat box if this concept is clear for you. Okay, great. Rajkumar, Sneha, Kumari, Anil. Yeah, good to see that everyone. The topic is clear. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me. Yes, Nagaveni, Pawan, Srilata. Great.
Sir, can you please explain for me? Actually, I'm not understood.
Okay, what is the part you have not understood? You see, the simple thing is that this is application, right?
Yeah.
So when you click on this button, right, and wait for the alert and switch to the alert, and now you have retrieved the text from the alert, that's okay. But without handling the alert means what? Without accepting the alert or dismissing
Oh,
the alert. Okay.
acha.
Alert is
Okay.
present on the page. If you try to perform any other operations,
Acha.
apart from handling the alert, while the alert is still present, you try to, get the title of the page or URL of the page or get the heading of the page or try to click on this button, try to click on this link, try to close the browser. Okay. Any of these activities, if you do without handling this alert, then in
Acha.
that case, you are going to get this unhandled alert exception.
Okay. Understood. Understood.
For that, I have written the code here. You see, while the alert is still there, I was able to get the text, but I have not accepted the alert. When I have not accepted the alert, I try to click on the button. This information alert button, I try to click when the alert is still present on the page. This line has given me unhandled alert exception. And even I try to close the browser also, okay, without handling the alert. Still, I got unhandled alert present exception. Clear?
Yeah. 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 Thank you.
Welcome. Anyone have any other questions in this area? And there are different type of alerts, guys. There are different types of alerts like information alert, confirmation alert, and prompt alert. There are three variety of alerts available: information alert, confirmation, and prompt alerts. Okay, I'll show you what is an information alert, what is a confirmation alert, and what is a prompt alert. So in the same example, I'll show you in the Internet Heroku application. So here, when I click on this button, whatever the alert I'm getting is an information alert. Only information will be there with an OK button. That's it. We have to get the information and select accept. We have to accept the alert. That's the only thing that is expecting. Then we have the confirmation alert where apart from the OK button, apart from the information and OK button, we also get cancel. Either you have to select OK or cancel. Here there are some options to either accept the alert or dismiss the alert that you don't have in the information alert. This is called as confirmation. So this kind of alerts will come on the page to take your confirmation, whether you want to delete a user or not. If you really want to delete a user, yes or no will come. Okay. If you say yes means user will be deleted. If you say no means okay. If you say user will be if you say no, user will not be deleted. Like that kind of confirmation alerts will be coming. Okay. Along with that, here some text will coming. Do you want to really delete the user? Okay. When you try to delete a user on an application, let's say, do you really want to delete the user kind of message will come and yes or no button will come. Okay. That kind of alerts are called as confirmation alerts, which are taking your confirmation. Here information alerts are there to take your focus to display some information. After you read the information, you will select OK button. But in confirmation alert, it will come with a purpose of asking you whether you really want to do this operation, yes or no. Okay, like that kind of situation. If you don't want to delete the user, let's say cancel, you will say. If you want to delete the user, you will say okay. And coming to the prompt alerts, the third variety of alert is prompt alert. Here I'm a JavaScript prompt. Okay, here apart from the information and taking your confirmation here, it will also ask you to enter something, like let's say enter your name. Okay, if I enter my name and say okay button, you see you entered Arun will be coming here. Okay, this is prompt alert. This is prompt alert. I'll show you these examples on real applications. Information alert is there on the HDFC net banking. Yesterday I gave an assignment, guys. Okay, yesterday I gave an assignment to handle this information alert on hdfcbank.com. So over the mouse, go to the net banking page. After going to the net banking page, you don't enter this customer ID and click on continue button. What is this type of alert that you're getting? Customer ID cannot be left blank. What is this kind of alert? By looking at the alert, you have to tell me whether it is information, confirmation, or prompt alert. What type of alert it is?
Information.
Yes, it is information alert. Okay. On your real application like net banking also, in this kind of situation where you don't enter the customer ID and if you click on continue button, the HDFC bank is giving you an information alert asking you to enter the thing. Okay. Then real time confirmation alert, again the HDFC bank, where we'll get that confirmation alert. Let's see where we can get that. I don't remember where exactly that confirmation alert was there on HDFC bank. It's been a long time. What is that? Give me a second. Confirmation alert, HDFC bank, types of alerts. Okay. Okay. So I have to find it out where we'll get this confirmation alert, whether you want to do or not kind of stuff. You should get the confirmation alert. So if I have to really replicate this, I have to go to this video, guys, Selenium for session 18. Okay, let me go there. Yeah, just before going there, let's do one thing. Yesterday I didn't upload the recording, it seems. Today I have uploaded that 64. Okay. Right click, share. Just give me a second. We're done. The Telegram group. This one is day 64 recording. Day 64 recording. Handling information alerts. Part 1. It's a recording posted. Fine. Then next is go here. Yeah, something like trainings here. Just give me a second. I'll go to that video and then see like where exactly in HDFC Bank we can get a confirmation alert. Okay, I don't remember that. It's been a long time. Okay. What was the video? Session 18, right? Session 18. I would like to give you the example of HDFC Bank where we'll get the confirmation alert. Information alert I showed you guys, but confirmation alert I have not shown you. I would like to check my previous video and see if what I have done to get that confirmation alert. Okay, this is not okay. Okay. Net banking. I don't do anything and click on forgot your password and then without doing anything, if I click on the continue button, I'm getting an information alert. Okay, that also we can try, guys. Another place we can get the information alert is go to the forgot password thing and click on continue button without entering anything. Then you are getting the information alert. Please enter your mobile number registered with the bank to proceed with. This is the information you can retrieve and accept the alert. That is information alert. Another place we are getting the information alert. Let's see where exactly we can see the other type of alert. Just give me a second. Let's find out the confirmation alert also. Okay, we got some confirmation alert here. Go to HDFC Bank, then click on that, click on forgot password. Information alert is coming, that's okay. Then, okay, that is information alert. Then coming to the next one, confirmation alert, we have to see. Net banking, click on continue, information alert is coming. When I refresh the page, okay, I'm getting that. So here without entering anything, if I refresh the page, I'm getting a confirmation for resubmission. The page that you are looking for user information that you entered, returning to this page might cause any action you took be repeated. Do you want to continue or not? This is confirmation alert, guys. Okay, when you reload the page without submitting this stuff, you are getting a confirmation alert. Okay, so this is an example for confirmation alert in real time. Everyone clear with the confirmation alert? When we are getting and all, is it clear? Guys, is that clear? Where we are getting the confirmation alert on HDFC Net Banking? Go to HDFC Net Banking and go to this. Just say login, login to net banking, and if you go to this forgot customer ID, and then without doing anything, if you click on the continue button, you are getting an information alert, and you fill some number, etc., and you are not submitting it and just reloading the page, you are getting the confirmation alert. It's saying that your information that you entered will be lost. You have to resubmit again. Do you want to continue? If you really want to lose your information and continue, just continue. It will refresh and you have to enter the information again. Clear?
Arun, I have sent you the link. We can practice that as well.
Where did you send the link?
On WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me open it this up. Demo mobiscroll.com jQuery forms alert confirm prompt. Okay. So this one, yeah, you can turn on cellular for this app setting. Okay. And confirmation, agree or disagree. Okay. Yes, this is another different type of alert. Looks good. Okay. Show prompt. Yes. Enter the Apple password to say okay or not something. Okay. So there are, these are the things, right? You are telling me, right? This is a page, right? Krupal? You there? Hello?
Arun, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah. This is a page, yeah.
This is a page, right?
Yeah.
So these are the buttons you are asking, right?
Yeah.
So we'll do one thing. We'll just put that into our weekend stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Future
Yeah.
alerts
So
challenge.
how to reload it in Selenium? What is?
How to refresh? How to reload a page in Selenium?
Yes.
Okay, it's very simple. In Selenium, we have a command known as. I'll show you here. I'll write the statement here. I'll remove that later. Pivot dot. navigate dot, there is a command known as refresh command. Okay.
Okay.
Here there are a few more commands like driver.navigate.back. It will navigate the browser back. Now navigate.forward. It will navigate forward. Driver.navigate.to. You can go to another URL, your application also from this application. Then navigate.refresh will refresh the page. Okay.
Okay.
So using this command, you can do that. You can reload the page using refresh command.
See, and one more thing. See, suppose in a page, so many tabs are opened. Okay. So just we need to close all the tabs and need to close the browser.
Complete tabs and browser.
Yeah. If it is out of topic, or else if the topic is coming in future, we can
I
discuss.
think that is already completed. Have you joined in between, Raj?
No. I have joined recently, so that's why. Okay. Sorry
Okay,
for
okay. No problem. No problem. Anyhow, it will be covered in the crash course for you. Okay, in the evening hours. Okay. Raj, you there?
Yeah. Okay.
I'll cover that for you in the evening hours. Okay, crash course. You are joining the crash course right every day. The evening.
No. I'm not joining. I did not get any information regarding crash.
Oh, I thought you are joining. So because in the evening we are repeating the stuff for the people who join in between. Okay.
Okay.
So for now we are at the level of Java only. So yesterday we completed this encapsulation, and the other topic that we started is different types of inheritance. Okay. So we are still at the part of Java. So we'll definitely go into Selenium automation. Those crash courses will be repeated. Don't worry. Okay. And these sessions also will be repeated. So at least from today, if you join every day, I'm putting that in the WhatsApp. I thought you are getting that messages.
Okay.
Are you part of this WhatsApp group?
No.
Ask Javid to add you to this WhatsApp group. Okay. Immediately.
Okay.
Because here I'm putting the message session will start at 8 p.m. Selenium Java crash course like that. Okay. You have to join that. So because you have joined in between, right? For you guys only, I'm taking that session in the evening hours. Okay. So just to repeat the things, because those commands are already covered for us, like whatever you're asking, right? Driver.quit command, that's already covered. Okay. But they will be repeated for you in the crash course in the evening.
Driver.quit is okay. From knowledge. See, suppose like so many tabs are there, we need to close only the remaining tabs, but the browser will not close. But the browser should not close, but tabs only need to close.
In that case, we have to switch to the appropriate tabs and close them separately using driver.close. And whatever the tabs you don't want to keep that open, right? You will not close them.
Okay.
This comes under handling windows.
Okay.
Handling multiple windows, that will be covered to you in the crash course in the evening hours. Okay. Don't worry. And also, Raj, like since you have missed some crash course videos, right? I'll recommend you something.
Yeah.
So first task that you have to do is join this group. Okay, WhatsApp group. If you go to the description of this group, right, you will see this Google Drive link. Can you see that Google Drive link?
Yeah.
Yeah, just open that Google Drive link. Okay, in the in your browser where your email address is registered email address, what you provided is logged in. And in that, you go to this Selenium Java crash course folder. You will get all the videos that we have done so far. But in that, you have to go to this Selenium Java crash course. Okay.
Okay.
So in this, you see, we have done this crash course videos up to 10 videos. You don't have to watch all my videos, just this 10 videos you watch. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this yesterday we covered, let's see. I think I didn't upload this, but I'm going to upload that. Just give me a second. 11th session is completed yesterday. But just to sync with the batch and all, right, in the crash course at least, you try to, go with that. Okay. Yesterday I covered encapsulation. These sessions are also good, guys. Even for the people who are attending the morning, right? If you have time, also attend the sessions, crash course sessions in the evening, because maybe something new will be covered for you because encapsulation, that kind of topics. Based on the doubts and questions also, I'm covering some things. Okay. So it will be repeated sessions, but definitely something new will also be covered in the crash course. Okay. So here is the thing. Fine.
Okay.
All the things you will get in the description of this group, okay? Like the daily meeting links, okay? Every meeting, the same link, and Google Drive, the GitHub code, okay? Whatever I'm uploading for that crash course and all those stuff are there, okay? Is that fine, Raj?
Yes.
Okay,
Please.
then fine, great. Then I showed you an examples of, now let's focus on alerts only, Raj, okay? Because we'll get deviated, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Handling information alerts using alert interface. All these things I covered yesterday only, guys. All these things I covered yesterday, right? And today also I covered something where unhandled alert exception also I showed you. Without, when the alert is present on the page, if you don't handle the alert and if you try to perform any other operation, you are going to get unhandled alert exception. And we have waited for the alert. I told you, right, why we have to wait for the alert. As a best practice, we are waiting for the alert. There may be situations where that asynchronous JavaScript alert activity may take some time for displaying the alert on the page. Very minimal disturbance may be there. Very rarely that will happen. But it's better as a best practice to wait for the alert, then switch to the alert. Now, the next exception that we are going to discuss is what? What is the next exception we are going to discuss apart from unhandled alert exception? Everyone type in the chat box. What is the next exception you are going to, that I am going to explain? No alert present exception. Everyone type in the chat box, no alert present exception. What is this no alert present exception? What is this no alert present exception? So when there is no alert, if you still try to switch to the alert, then you'll get no alert present exception. Okay. When do you get no alert present exception? So in real time, when does it happen is sometimes alert is coming, sometimes alert is not coming. So you have tried the script. What if the alert is coming? What if the alert is not coming? If you try to switch to the alert, even though alert is not coming, then you will get no alert present exception, guys. I'll prove you that, how to do that and all. So let's close this stuff. Why this is coming? Okay. Okay. No alert present exception. Okay. No alert present exception will come when you try to switch to an alert which is not existing on the page at all. So I'll show you practically. For that, I'll write the script. I'll show you practically and so right click here and create a class known as no alert present exception. Okay, here I'll write the code. Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. Control Shift O and then say yesterday who has joined actually. Jyoti. Okay. Okay, fine, no problem. So driver dot manage dot window dot maximize and driver dot get and here provide the application URL, that is Internet Heroku app, and come to this JavaScript alerts. Okay. Now you see, I don't click on the button, guys. No alert is there on the page. When no alert is on the page, I'm trying to switch to the alert. Is it possible to switch to an alert when there is no alert on the page? Is it possible, guys? When there is no alert on the page, I'm trying to switch the focus of Selenium from page level to the alert. Driver.switch to alert. That is not possible. And in such kind of situations, Selenium will give you an exception known as no alert present exception. It will give you, I'll show you practically. So here I'll go to this application URL. On the page, there is no alert being displayed, but but still I'll try to, I have not clicked on any button. Okay, to display the alert, I have not clicked on the button. Without clicking on the button, I am trying to switch to the alert. Okay, just to show you what kind of exception you'll get. I'm trying to switch to the alert when the alert is not present on the page and run the code. You'll simply, with this simple script, you will get an exception. The simple script, you are going to get an exception known as no alert present exception. Run the script, open the application URL. And once the application URL page is opened, there is no alert present, but you are trying to switch to the alert, and that will result in an exception known as no alert present exception. Everyone clear? There's no such alert to be switched to. Okay, that's the reason. Everyone clear? When you will get this no alert present exception, in real time also there may be some situations happening where sometimes alert is coming on the page and sometimes alert is not coming on the page. When you try to switch to an alert thinking that alert will come today, but alert has not come today for you on the application, in that case, this will give you no alert present exception. And how to handle this kind of situation when the no alert is coming? You can use try catch blocks. Exception handling mechanism, everyone remember, right? In Java, you have to handle this. You have to put this inside the try catch block. In the catch block, you provide no alert present exception, and if that comes, you just write down instead of throwing this exception into the output, like no alert present exception into the output, you can put this inside the try catch blocks. Okay, I'll just put this comment and then write this here. Try this line, because if the alert may come or alert may not come, let's say. Okay, the alert may come, alert may not come. And here I'll write the code also. Just give me a second. So what if the alert comes? Right-click inspect. Not this one. This one. Right-click inspect. So there is the XPath for that button. So I'll write the code here. Driver dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression of that information alert button. Put a semicolon here. Here write down information alert, information alert. Otherwise, alert button, info alert button, info alert button. Create a web element. Then if I click on this, alert will come or not. If I click on this, alert will come or not, guys. Yes, it will come, right? If I click on this, alert will come, and I'll switch to the alert and I'll write the code here. Alert is equal to Control-Shift-O and simply write down alert dot get text. Alert dot. I'll not accept the alert, but I'll say alert. I'll accept the alert also if required. What's the matter? Alert dot get text and string text on alert is equal to, and I'll simply print it out, system.out.println. This one, text on alert, I'll print it out. If the alert has not come, in that case, it will go to the catch block, and here I'll write no alert present exception. No alert present exception. No alert exception or no alert present exception. Sometimes I get confused with the names. No alert present exception only. Okay. E. And here I'll write down system.out.println. Control-Shift-O. Okay, where is the problem here? Copy this and paste it here. Control-Shift-O. No exception of type can be thrown. An exception type must be a subclass of throwable. Any problem I'm doing, guys, anywhere? No such element exception if I write. Let's see what will happen for the mouse. I'm getting no such element exception, but no alert present exception I'm not getting. No alert present exception. No alert present exception for the mouse. Okay. Alert exception otherwise. Let's see. Or throwable IQ. And I don't know why I'm not able to put that inside the catch block. Let's find it out. Javid. No alert present exception. Unable to put this in catch block while Selenium Java automation as part of handling this exception. Let's see. Yeah, I should be able to write actually. No alert present exception E. No alert present. Why we are not getting it here? No alert present exception for the mouse.
Sir, can you restart the project?
Yeah, I think I have to do that. Or I'll do one thing, I'll right click and Maven. So right click run as clean, first of all. And I'll update Maven. Once build successfully is done, I'll update the project. Go here. Then hover the mouse, still not getting.
Sir,
Yes.
here after public static void main, write throws exception in the code.
Okay. After public static void main.
Yeah, in the code write throws exception. In our code.
Okay. Let me restart. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute. Okay, here you are saying throws exception. Okay, I'm not getting that. I'll do one thing. Import statement for importing no alert present exception in Selenium Java. I'll do it manually. You have to find out a lot of ways, guys. Okay, there is no other way in escaping it sometimes. Here also you're not getting. The import conflicts with a type defined in the same file.
Arun,
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah, hello.
Could you please remove the present and write only no alert exception? So we will get some suggestion.
Arun, the class name itself, no alert present exception.
Save it, yeah. Yeah.
Could you?
So
And
scroll
change
down,
class name also.
scroll down, and we will get a import statement as well below. scroll down. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
till no,
This
right?
yeah, second last.
This one, right?
Yeah,
Change
yeah.
to no alert present exception. Yeah. Mhm. Now it's gone here. That's okay. But we should have only this part and hold the mouse. Maybe this time also it's not coming.
So we can import this at the top here.
Saying remove unused imports. The
Yeah.
import no conflicts with the type defined in the same file. It is saying where I am doing that. I don't know. Like let me see. Like
name? Can we try changing the class name?
yeah, correct. That's 100% right. That's the reason we are getting the problem. Correct. Okay. You identified it correctly. Rename the file to demo class. I gave the same name, right? That's the reason it is not working. Now I am getting correct. Thank you. That's the reason. Nothing more than that. So unexpectedly, we gave the same name of the exception name to this class. So that's the problem. Once I changed it, I'm able to import it. Okay. Fine. Now this is the case. So it's good learning anyhow. So when you get the problems, identifying troubleshooting is also very important, guys. Okay. Troubleshooting is also very important, not just writing the code, because when the exact problem was I was giving the same name as a class name. Okay. This no alert present exception and giving the name to the class name. That's the reason it was conflicting there. That was the conflict problem. Yeah, good that you have identified. That's very great. So here, guys, when you click on that particular button, the alert will come. And when the alert comes, we'll switch to the alert and, we'll switch to the alert and we'll say, we'll switch to the alert and we'll get the text on the alert and print in the output console. But if the alert doesn't come, what if I comment this out? The alert will not come. In that case, no alert has come will be printed. This is how I want to handle in real time. Sometimes alert will come, sometimes alert will not come. That we may face in the real time, guys. Okay, that we may face in the real time. So for such kind of situations in real time, you have to write this kind of code in the try catch block. Run the code and observe that the alert will come because here information alert I am saying info alert button dot click. So this will run the script. Open the application URL in the browser. Click on the button, alert will come. It will retrieve the text from the alert and it will print in the output console. Okay. Things are going fine. In the try block, the code got executed. But what if I don't click on this particular button? I'll not click on this info alert button and run the script. Then what happens? This time alert will not come. And try block code will give you an exception that is no alert present exception. Instead of throwing into the output to the JVM and printing into the output, it will throw to the catch block. Catch block will handle and just print in the output saying that alert has not come. Alert has not come should be printed in the output. No alert has come should be printed in the output. Clear, guys? Clear? How to handle the alerts is clear when the alert doesn't come.
Arun, in try block,
Hmm.
can we write alert driver dot switch to alert outside of try?
So if you write this outside, right, if the alert has not come, then the exception will come, right? But we can do this one. This part we can write it outside if you want. And you don't have to declare this like this, okay? This is okay. To this level, it is okay, but you cannot put this outside. If you put this outside, if the alert doesn't come, you'll get exception thrown to the JVM and in the output, you will get error. That's the reason we have put this line inside the try block, right? This statement is prone to that exception, no alert present exception, okay? But we can decide this, we can declare this outside if you want, and then, do the operations. Once alert has come, then, you can perform alert dot accept, everything you can do here, okay?
Okay, Arun.
We can make this not local to the try block, but take it global outside the try block. Okay. Okay, great. Fine then. Let's move on to the next one, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Yes, please.
Can you please open the code?
1 minute. Yes.
before, just before, you have mentioned there driver dot switch to dot alert, right, sir? At the time, we got that no alert present exception, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, at the time, you didn't mention text, you didn't print the text, and you didn't perform any action. At the time, you get that exception. But right after that, you handle the exception by using try catch block.
Yes.
It means earlier you haven't used, right, sir, that printing the text, everything.
You can do that, no problem. But even though you do also, there is no use.
Okay.
If I do something like this, right, if the alert is not coming, right, you try to switch to the alert, right?
Yes.
What happens? So if you try to switch to the alert and if the alert doesn't come, what happens? Here itself, you'll get an exception and remaining text will not be executed. Remaining code will not be executed. You can try this also. You can write this, but the problem here is if the alert doesn't come, right, this statement will give you no alert present exception and the execution will stop. It will not be able to do all this stuff. Because whenever an exception comes in Java or Selenium, right, that will stop the execution of the code if you don't handle using try catch block. And this code will not be executed at all because at this line, before line itself, you got the no alert present exception. Because of that, the program will stop abruptly there itself. And the remaining, if you write the code, if you don't write the code, nothing will happen. But in try catch block, since you are handling the alert, you can at least print out no alert has come as part of handling and we can continue with the script. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since there is no use of writing this code will anyhow will not be executed. Then that's the reason I have not written the code in the before one. Okay, because the code will stop here itself because of that exception if the alert doesn't come. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So now we have to handle the confirmation alerts and prompt alerts, guys. Okay. The next part is that we have to handle the confirmation alerts and prompt alerts, which will be similar to the information alerts. Okay. Whatever the things that you have done with all these exceptions, everything can be repeated with confirmation alerts and prompt alerts. There are other type of JavaScript alerts. Confirmation alert has something extra, that is cancel button or no button will be there. Prompt alert will have something like, it will have prompt alert will have some text box field to enter the text into. Okay, that's the only difference. Nothing more than that. At least we'll try to complete this one today. So let's see. I'll just create a class handling confirmation alerts demo. Main method. Click on finish. Okay, there was a question actually. I think Raj has answered that, I guess. Right? Satya is asking question in line 29, that is in this no alert present exception. You see, when an exception comes, you see, when there is no alert and you are trying to switch to the alert, if an exception comes, the control will come to from here to the catch block directly. It will not worry about these lines. This code will be skipped. This code will be skipped. Satya, clear now? When an exception comes, instead of throwing it to the JVM, the object of that exception will be thrown to this catch block and will be cached here, and this code will be skipped. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go to the confirmation and handling prompts. Okay. Confirmation alerts and prompts. So here I'll write down prompt driver. There is nothing to explain in this case. I covered all the cases. Okay. The same things will be there here. Just I'll show you how to how to perform the different activities in a faster way here. Control Shift O, then driver dot manage dot driver dot manage dot window dot maximize and driver dot get. Provide this and come back here and go here, copy this, paste it here, and then you click on this button which will give you the confirmation alert. Right click inspect, and there's some text between the tags. I'll create an XPath expression, / button. Text is equal to, okay, text is equal to the center. Only one element is getting located, that is confirmation button, JS confirm button. This is also JavaScript confirmation alert. I'll simply write down driver dot find element by dot XPath of that particular button, confirm alert button. Instead of information alert button, I'm clicking on confirmation alert button. Then here I'll write down confirm alert button equal to, over the mouse on this and say create a local variable, copy this, paste it here and say dot click. Once you click on that, will give the confirmation alert. Here also we have to wait. As a best practice, WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver wait and Control Shift O will automatically import. Here you have to pass driver comma duration dot of seconds, and you can generously give 10 seconds here, then wait dot until expected conditions dot alert is present. Okay, for all the types of the alert, the same alert is present we have to use. Once we have waited for the alert, then we have to switch to the alert, driver dot switch to dot, same command again, switch to alert command, either for information alert or confirmation alert or prompt alert. If you want to switch to any type of alert, you have to use the same statement. This will give you alert is equal to, and here you have to write down Control Shift O, it will automatically import. Then first we would like to get the text from this alert. I am a JS confirm, we want to get. How to get that? Alert dot get text. So here text on alert is equal to and string. I'm just showing you at a high level, that's it. Okay, system.out.println. You can print the text on the alert. And after that, what you can do after getting the text, you can either accept the alert. If you want to accept the alert, you click on OK button. If you want to dismiss the alert, you will click on the cancel button. Okay, so I'll try the accept here. That is alert dot accept. Before accepting the alert, before the alert gets closed, just for demonstration purpose, I'll add the red dot sleep for 3 seconds. This is not required in real time, just for demo purpose we are writing. Once you accept the alert, that's it. Things are done. Let's run the script. You see the way you have worked with information alert, the same way you have to work with the confirmation alert also. An extra cancel button will be there. If you want to click on cancel button, you have to use. There's something that we'll do, guys. Just switch. Okay. So after 3 seconds, it will accept the alert. It will retrieve the text and accept. You click OK is coming here that I want to retrieve. Okay. That particular text I would like to retrieve. After selecting OK here, you see result is coming as you clicked OK. I'll inspect this and I would like to print the result. So it has an ID. It has an ID. Copy this ID. Before doing any operation on the page, what do you have to do, guys? After accepting the alert, what do you have to do? Driver dot, switch to dot. Which command I have to use to come back to the page as a best practice? Which command I have to use? Driver dot switch to dot. From the alert to the page, if I want to come, which command I have to use?
Default content.
Yes, right.
Default content.
Right. And then after coming back to the switching back to the default content, then we'll try to retrieve the text. Driver dot find element by dot ID. By dot ID, provide the ID locator of that particular text. So result, I'll say result is equal to result element. Over the mouse, create local variable, and I'll simply say result dot get text. This is a web element text string. Result text is equal to, now print it out, system.out.println, and result text. Just for demo purpose, I'll be adding the red dot sleep here also. Red dot sleep for 3 seconds so that we can see the result coming, result text coming, and after that, this is not required in real time. After that, I'll quit the browser, driver.switch. Run the script and observe that what's happening. Everything should happen, whatever we thought of. It's similar to how we write the code for handling the information alert. The same code I have written, if you remember. Okay, then after going to the application page, it will click on the button and alert will come. It will retrieve the text, accept the alert, and here result has come. You clicked OK has come. This will be retrieved and printed in the output console also. Text on the alert has come and result text also got printed. Everything is working fine. What if you don't accept the alert? Rather, you are dismissing the alert. Alert.dismiss. Alert.dismiss. Instead of accepting the alert, you are dismissing the alert. In that case, what will happen? If I click on this and if I cancel it, here you click instead of OK, you will get cancel. Earlier in the output, what we got? You click OK has come. This time you click cancel should come. That proves that you have dismissed the alert. Okay. Instead of accepting, you are canceling the alert, confirmation alert. So you should get a different result text printed in the output console. Okay. Should click on the cancel button. You click cancel has come. You see, you click cancel. Everyone clear with this? How to handle the confirmation alerts is clear. Just type C in the chat box if you guys are clear. Similar to the information alert, nothing is there. Here also unhandled alert present, unhandled alert exception will come, and no alert present exceptions will come. You can try it out. Okay, whatever we have done with the information alert, the same thing will repeat it for the confirmation alert.
Arun, can you retype the 23rd line once? Just comment that line and retype it once. 23rd.
This one?
Yes, only 23rd is enough.
Okay. WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver wait. Okay.
Okay.
So it's already imported here. So if I remove this, generally when you are typing for the first time, you'll get the error like this. Either you can hover the mouse and say import WebDriver wait, or you can say Control-Shift-O, it will be automatically imported. And this constructor cannot be empty. Hover the mouse on this, and you see they are providing. You have to pass the driver here. You have to pass the duration here. Okay. So I'm passing the driver. This whatever the driver I'm using, right? That driver I'm passing. And here I have to pass the duration. How much time? Duration dot is from Java anyhow. Duration class is from Java, and this is a static method. Okay. So maximum 10, because alerts will not take so much of time, right? They don't actually require the waiting, but we are, as a best practice, we are writing this.
Okay, that duration we need to write.
Yes, we need to write. It will not automatically come.
Okay, okay, Arun.
You have to write this. You see, in implicit waiting mechanism also, we have mentioned the same duration, if you remember.
Okay, yeah, got it.
So duration dot off seconds. Okay. This from Java. If you hover the mouse, you see this duration is from Java library.
Okay.
And you are mentioning how many seconds, off seconds. Here we have days, weeks also. If you go with duration class, right? Duration dot, you have, different varieties like minutes you have, seconds we have. Seconds is more than enough, right? We don't want to go with hours, days, and all those stuff. Okay. That's why we go with seconds. And maximum of 10 seconds is more than enough for this. Okay.
Just remove the inside braces text ones. Wait, inside wait, WebDriver wait. Duration of seconds. Just remove that once.
Yeah, I'll remove that. Okay.
This driver also, what we are getting if we press Control space?
If you hover the mouse,
yes,
you will get this suggestion, like this constructor.
Okay, which suggestion we are taking here?
First suggestion.
Okay.
First suggestion is enough. People generally use the first suggestion only. They don't use second and third suggestions. Okay.
Okay.
These suggestions, you see, automatical driver is filled up if you select the suggestion, and here you have to manually write driver duration dot offsets.
Okay, Arun. Okay.
Clear na?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then this is how we handle the confirmation alerts. Everyone clear with the confirmation alerts? Any other doubts in this case? Anyone have any other doubts in?
Arun, actually yesterday I tried that HDFC alert that I haven't get that alert.
Which one? HDFC Bank. Okay.
Yesterday you gave a assignment, right? Can I share my screen? So.
Okay, yeah. Or we'll do one thing. Just give me 5 minutes. After that, we can do. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Let me complete this prompt alert. After that, we have the time. Okay. So now handling The next type of alert is what? Prompt alert. Prompt alert table. Okay. With main method. It will not be it will be the repetition, guys. Nothing much, but I just have to show it because how to handle the prompt alert also you have to learn. Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Control Shift O, it will be automatically imported. Then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot get give the application URL. Where is the application URL we have? This is the application URL we have. Copy and paste that application URL here. And after that, I would like to click on the button which will result in prompt alert. This is a button I have to click. Right click, inspect this. And this is a text between the tags and create an expert expression. / button. Text is equal to. Okay. Text is equal to. Copy this and write down here. Driver dot find element by dot XPath of that button, that is prompt alert button. Semicolon, and here prompt alert button web element is equal to. Okay, hover the mouse and create a web element, and now click on this button. The moment you click on the button, what will happen? The moment you click on this prompt alert, prompt alert will come like this. Okay. First, as a best practice, we have to wait for the alert to be present on the page. WebDriver wait. Wait is equal to new WebDriver wait. After that, Control Shift O, and it will automatically import this WebDriver wait from Selenium library. And here it cannot be empty. Here we have to pass driver and duration. So you can pass driver comma duration. Whenever you get constructor errors, right, you over the mouse, you will get the suggestions. Okay. That's the way to get it done. Maximum 10 seconds is enough here. And wait dot until expected conditions. Right? Expected conditions dot alert is present. Okay, alert is present. Keep practicing. It will be noted in your mind because I am doing trainings from long time, right? I can type on the fly. Okay, but this may not happen. Don't expect that you will be doing the same thing at the same speed as mine, because I keep teaching people. I've done a lot of batches, more than 20-30 batches I've done. So I'm kind of and if required, I have went to the Selenium Python, Selenium C# and all those stuff also at the same time. Okay. So anyhow, after waiting for the alert, I'll switch to the alert. I want to switch to the alert, and this will give you an object of the alert interface. Alert is equal to, and Control Shift O, alert will be imported. Alert interface will be imported. Then after switching to the alert, what I will do, I would like to get this text. I am a JavaScript prompt text. I want to get that alert dot get text. Then text on alert is equal to, over the mouse, say create local variable. Then system.out.println, system.out.println, print the text on the alert. Once you print the text on the alert, that is I am JavaScript prompt. What is the next thing that you want to do? You want to enter the text into this prompt text field. How to do that? For that, I have to use alert dot object reference of the alert dot sendKeys command. This sendKeys command is not something that belongs to the web element, guys. This belongs to the alert interface. Like get text belongs to the alert interface, right? Similarly, the sendKeys command is not something that belongs to the web element. Rather, the sendKeys belongs to the alert interface. Both are different. Both are same or different, guys. Sendkeys of web element and sendkeys of alert, both are same or different. Everyone type in the chat box. Different. Okay. This sendkeys will type the text into the text field that is displayed on the alert. But this sendkeys of the web element will be able to type the text into the other text box field, text area field, etc. Any other text field on the page. But to type the text on the alert, you have to use object reference of the alert interface, and using that we have to call the sendkeys. And what is the text I want to write? Let's say I want to type my name into that. I don't want to read text I want to type. But when I run the script in Chrome browser, right, you'll not be visually seeing that here that my name is being typed. But after you type here, manually when I'm typing, you can see this, but as per security reasons or something, Chrome browser, while during automation will not show you that the text is being entered, but actually internally it's getting entered. If you try this in Firefox browser, you can see that, guys. Okay, the text is getting entered. You can see that in the Firefox browser, but not in the Chrome browser. Though, don't get confused. Like, don't waste your time in doing R&D. Like, why my name is getting typed into the text field on the alert. Don't worry about that. It's doing that, but visually it will not show on the alert in the Chrome browser. Now, after entering the text, I want to accept the alert. I want to accept the alert, you see. Arun motor, you entered Arun motor will come. So I'll simply say alert dot accept. And here I'll do thread dot sleep so that for demonstration purpose, it will be good. Thread dot sleep for 3 seconds. So in the duration, we can see whether my name has been entered or not. And after that, I'll accept the alert. After I accept the alert, what will happen? This text will come. So it has an ID, result ID. Copy this. Same thing, guys. Nothing much. Driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID locator. Provide the ID locator of that particular result. Let's say we can and say result is equal to create the web element. Create the web element and simply say system.out.println, system.out.println, result dot get sorry. Here I'll simply write down result dot get text between the tags of this web element. Okay, and string I'll say result text is equal to the same code I'm writing, just repeating system.out.println, system.out.println. I'll print the result text in the output, and before closing the browser, I'll just give the red dot sleep again, just to see the things how they are happening on the page for demo purpose. This is not required in real time. And finally, I'll say driver.quit. Now let's run the script and see that visually you will not see that my name is being entered into the text field of the Chrome browser. Okay. Visually, you will not be able to see that my name is being entered. Here, one more extra command we got in the sendKeys apart from get text of the alert and accepting the alert. That is okay. My name is not being it doesn't look like my name is being entered, but you see actually my name got entered. Arun motor is coming. I'm a JavaScript prompt. You entered Arun motor is coming. What if I do one thing like here instead of this Chrome browser, Chrome driver, I'll write Firefox driver is equal to new Firefox driver. I'll run it on the Firefox browser. Control-Shift-O. And the same driver of the Firefox browser, I commented to the Chrome driver. Let's run the script and see whether this is visible, like my name is getting visible on the page or not. Let's see.
Switch back to default content.
Yeah. We'll do that. I forgot. Yeah. It's working, but still we have to write as a best practice. That's okay. Thanks for that. Let the script run in the Firefox browser now. Where is the Firefox browser? I don't see that. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, okay. It was it's done again. Let me run this code again. The Firefox browser need to launch. It should maximize. It should open the application URL. Then it has to click on the last button, which will give you the prompt alert. You see, it's typing, In case of Firefox, it is typing. Visually, we can see. In Chrome browser, you cannot see that. Then it's taking the text and printing. But here, as you know, as part of the best practice, after accepting the alert, it's better to driver.switch to .default content. This is the best practice. Okay. Then you perform the activities on the page. Now, instead of accepting the alert, what will happen if I dismiss the alert? Alert.dismiss. This also we have to try. Run the code, right click, run as Java application, run the code. This time it will dismiss the alert and text will not be accepted, right? Text entered into the text field will not be submitted if you cancel it. So it will enter my name though, but it will click on the cancel button. Because of that, result will come in a different way. You entered null will be retrieved and printed. Arun motor text, even though it has been entered, but since you pressed on cancel button, it will not be submitted. Okay, that's why you entered null will come. Clear with this, guys? How to handle the prompt alerts is clear. Everyone clear with how to handle the prompt alerts? Just type in the chat box. Great. Now let's go back to the question. That's all for today, guys. That's all from my side for today. How to handle different type of alerts. And tomorrow we'll see authentication pop-ups, web push notification, bootstrap model dialogues, light box, accept all cookies. The remaining stuff that is there in this session will be covered for you tomorrow. Okay. So now the time has come for you guys to ask me the questions, guys. Okay. Any questions you have, you can ask me. One of the questions that one person has, who is that one? Who has asked the question like HDFC net banking thing?
Srikanth.
Okay. Okay, Srikanth. Let's try that out. Okay. So we'll go to hdfcbank.com and here we'll get net banking option. and we click on the net banking, directly we'll go to this net banking page instead of that, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Directly go to this page. I'll try that, okay? HDFC information alert. Class HDFC information alert demo. Create the class, write down the code. Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. You want to share your screen first of all, Srikant?
Yes, yes, actually, yeah.
Okay, then let's share. I'm giving you the permission. You can share your screen. Yeah, please share your screen now.
Yeah. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen. Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver.manage.window.maximize driver.get net banking driver.find element by.xpath. Okay, so information block.click. Okay, WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver wait driver command duration dot of seconds wait dot until expected conditions dot alert is present. That's okay. Driver.switch to alert, that is also okay. So string alert.get text on the alert, system.text on alert, thread.sleep, yes, alert.accept, driver.switch to default content, driver.quit. What's happening in your case?
Actually, after running this code now, I'm not able to see that alert in the page actually.
Okay, let's see that. Let's see in your case first.
See that alert is not coming here.
Did you click on the continue button?
Yes, yeah.
I think there's some problem with the continue button. Just show me the error. Whatever the error that is coming in the output. Console. Right side, go to the right side, complete right side. Go down a bit. A kind of desktop icon will be there in blue color. Go down. Not that down. Top only, but right side options. Right side, go right. Just one by one option you go down. The below option. No. Just go right side and that below option. At the rate symbol you see, right? At the rate on the right side, complete right side. Right, not left side, right side.
That's
Do your mouse to the right side. Go to the right side. Still right side. Go down slowly. Completely go to the right side. Completely go to the right side to that corner. No, you are not under. Yeah. Now go down slowly. Slowly go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Yeah, this option you click.
Okay.
Yeah, now scroll up. Just scroll up complete. Just show me that first line. No such element exception means there is a problem with the web element itself. You are unable to locate that button, continue button or whatever the button.
Here we have to switch to the frame, sir.
Yeah, we'll see that. I'll can I can stop sharing your screen?
Yes, yeah. I stop.
Okay, I'll take control. Let's see. I'll try that and see. Someone is saying there is a part of the frame or something. So let's see. So when you right click here, am I getting any frame options here? No, right? Not getting. So anyhow, I'll copy this and I'll simply say, I'll try that from my side. Let's see what will happen. Driver.manage.window.maximize. Then driver.get, provide the application URL. And now I'll inspect this, right click, inspect this, continue button. So this is the continue button text, class is there. Then, okay, return of login is there, continue. I'll take this continue text between the anchor tags, /A. You see, it looks like a button, but it's like anchor tag, right? So that's how the things are, okay? That's a magic with HTML, guys, okay? They can make an hyperlink look like a button. Only one element is coming. Copy this, come back here, driver.find element by .xpath, provide the xpath expression of that continue button. Then continue button is equal to, then I'll create a web element over the mouse and say create a web element, and then continue button dot click, continue button dot click. And after clicking on the continue button, the alert will come. I have to wait for that. WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver wait as a best practice. Then here Control-Shift-O and here pass driver comma duration dot of seconds. 10 seconds I'll give generously. And then I'll give say wait dot until expected conditions dot alert is present. Then after that, I would like to switch to the alert, driver dot switch to dot alert. And to switching to the alert, here it will return me the alert interface object reference. Then I'll say alert dot get text. Okay, then string text on alert. Text on alert is equal to and print it out system dot out dot print out this text on alert. Then for the next one, some I would like to say thread.sleep just for demo purpose. It's not needed in real time though. Just to see whether the alert has come or not, I'm just doing this. Then I'll say alert.accept. Alert.accept. Then after accepting the alert, after thread.sleep, I'll just give three seconds and then finally I'll quit the browser. Let's see what's happening. Okay. I'm getting an error. No such element exception. It's not coming. Maybe I'll do one thing just for experimentation. After clicking on this button, before clicking on this button, I'll just give thread.sleep. Let's see what will happen. Just for experimentation here for 3 seconds, and I'll run this and see what's happening. Not clicking, right? Okay. What is the problem we have to solve then? Okay. Go to selector sub. Inside iframe. Yes, you guys are right. If you go with the selector sub, you can easily find out what's happening. This particular element is inside an iframe. Somewhere the iframe will be there. Let's go to that iframe. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up until you see the iframe. Yeah, here frame. Frame set is there. And in that frame set, here frame is there. This is a frame. We have the login name for this. So we'll do one thing. So it's not about any problem here. This is all about switching to the frame. Driver dot switch to dot frame of give the name locator, name attribute value directly. Okay. This name ID or name is there means you can directly give the name or ID of that particular frame. So let's run this and see after switching to the frame what is happening. It's not XPath issue, but it's part of an iframe. You see now it's coming. Okay. So this is part of the frame, guys. Okay, that's what is a twist. So I didn't cover frames concept yet. That will be covered in the upcoming sessions. Why we have to switch to the frame and all, I'll cover in the upcoming sessions. Okay. Vikram, that is different. I'll explain about iframes. Okay, this iframes thing I have to cover. Without I explain about this iframes, right? You will not understand why I'm giving like this. Okay. Is that okay, Vikram? This will be covered to you in the upcoming sessions. So don't worry. Whatever the code you have written is right so far. Whatever you have understood the session, but the only problem is that we have to switch to the frame. This frames concept I have not covered, guys. Okay. Don't worry, the frames concept I have not covered. In the upcoming sessions, we'll get the how to handle the frames concept. You see, till now we covered only the alerts. multiple windows, stereo element reference exception, and waiting mechanism. But for handling frames, I didn't cover, right? So we have to handle the frames, then only it will work. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear, everyone?
Yeah, sir, understood. Thank you.
So this frames concept I'll cover. So we have to switch to the frame to make this work. That frames I have not covered. I'll cover to you in the upcoming sessions. But for now, whatever the code you have written is perfectly fine. Okay. Just that frames I not covered, so you are not able to create it done. Fine, no problem. Any other questions? Guys, any other questions? Here we'll move that into the future challenge also. This one. Future alert challenge handling information alert on HDFC net banking login page. Okay, so that will also do that later. But for now, for today, whatever the notes, the same notes, guys. Yesterday's notes will be repeated here. Meanwhile, you can ask me the questions, guys. While I share the notes and all, you can ask me the question. And today's code I'll upload. Next thing is that today's code I'll upload. Properties. Any questions? Meanwhile, you can ask me, guys. No problem. Okay, I'm going to the GitHub page. I uploaded the code. You can see the commits here, guys. Click on commits and recent commit you should be able to see. Handling confirmation and prompt alerts. Whatever the code that I have covered today will be there here, guys. You see? Here you can see the code. Whatever the code I have explained, here also you can get all the code. As per the dates and times also you can get all the code that I have written today. Handling prompt alerts. No alert present exception. Unhandled alert exception. Okay. And on the top, what is there? What is the code we have on the top? This one you can ignore. And here you can see HDFC information alert. This link also will serve the purpose. Okay. Or you can go to that respective thing and also do that. Okay. So you can go to the commits and see every day whatever the changes. Okay. Getting started with Selenium. If you remember, the commit has been done. The code that I have done on that particular day will be there here. Okay. The changes will be there. Like this is one methodology of method of looking into the changes. Or you can go here, go to SRC. And here alerts demo. In that, whatever the code I covered is alerts demo. First one I covered unhandled alert exception. Today's code 1. Today's code 1. Then next one. After that, no alert present exception, I guess so. Today's code 2. Today's code 2. This one is today's code 2. The next one, Next one is handling confirmation alerts. Handling confirmation alerts. This is the third one. Today's code 3. Then handling prompt alerts. Today's code 4. Then finally HDFC information alert. Today's code 5. Today's code 5. And I have to give the assignments also. I'll give the assignment. So assignment 1. Assignment 1. Write Selenium Java automation code for handling different types of alerts present at whatever the page you gave me today, that page only I'll give. Yeah, here. Copy this. Okay, on this page. That's what you have to solve. Okay. That is the assignment. And apart from that, the recording will be uploaded soon and will be posted the link here in some time. Okay, that's all. Any questions, any doubts, guys? I don't think you have the questions now. A lot of time has been given already. So that's all for today, guys. We'll meet today evening in the Selenium Java crash course. If anyone has joined in between, make sure that you join the Selenium Java crash course. And if you want to revise or if you want to know some more information also, you can join, guys. Okay, join the Selenium Java crash course at 8 p.m. IST today. So till then, see you. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you.